I'm Jan-Erik and welcome to my course called Using Negotiation Techniques to Reach Agreements. As a leader in the IT industry for more than 20 years, I've held a lot of different positions, from team lead and department manager to being part of the upper management group of an internationally listed company. In these roles, I've had to attend and also lead a lot of professional negotiations, ranging from salary negotiations, large-scale vendor deals, and all the way up to buying and selling companies. I wrote this course to share the most effective techniques I've gathered over the many years of negotiations. The techniques you'll learn in this course are broadly used in negotiations around the world and are the result of massive research done by scholars in negotiation theory. I will cover the concept of negotiations, and you'll be understanding how a negotiation strategy is made and how you can best prepare for your negotiation. I'll also teach you some valuable techniques from negotiation psychology to help you be the best version of yourself during the negotiations. You'll learn how to make use of the practical skills required to walk away with the best possible agreement. After this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of negotiation techniques needed to participate in and even lead professional negotiations. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how you can use negotiation techniques to reach agreements here at Pluralsight.